everyone, and welcome to my channel Science Done Well. In this video I'm going to be explaining why the sky is blue, except when it isn't. Firstly, we need to understand a bit about Earth's atmosphere. The atmosphere around the Earth is made up of a bunch of different gases, mostly nitrogen and oxygen, but there's other gases in there too, as well as water vapour, dust and other particles. Now a bit about light. Light travels through the air in waves, a bit like this. The waves travel at the speed of light, funnily enough, which is nearly 300,000 kilometres per second. The distance between the tops of the waves, here and here, is called the wavelength. If you look at the light from the sun or a light bulb, it looks white, but it's actually made up of a range of different colours. By the way, do not ever look directly at the sun, you could seriously damage your eyes. Anyway, as I was saying, white light is made up of light of different colours. When you see a rainbow in the sky, that's the white light from the sun being split into all different colours. Red at one end, violet at the other. This is because red light has the longest wavelength and indigo light the shortest. So how does this lead to the sky being blue? Well, as light travels through the atmosphere, it hits the molecules of gas and water and stuff. What happens to it depends on the wavelength. When a light hits a gas molecule, some of the light gets absorbed by the molecule and then radiated out. That means it gets scattered out in different directions. This is called Rayleigh scattering, after the scientist who discovered it in the 19th century. Short wavelengths get absorbed more than long wavelengths, so lots of blue light gets absorbed and radiated out. So that means blue light is constantly getting radiated out and scattered all over the sky. So whenever you look up on a sunny day, you are seeing blue light being scattered across the sky by gas molecules, and that's why the sky is blue. When the sun is setting, the sky sometimes doesn't look blue though, it looks red. Why is that? Well, as the sun sets, its light has further to travel to reach us. More of the blue light is scattered, so the sun appears more red. The sky around the setting sun can take on many colours. It looks at its most impressive when the air contains many small particles of dust or water. These particles reflect light in all directions. Then, as some of the light heads towards you, different amounts of shorter wavelength colours are scattered out. You see the longer wavelengths and the sky appears red, pink or orange. So there you go, why the sky is usually blue but sometimes isn't. I hope you found it interesting and maybe you learned something new. I'll see you in my next video, but until then, farewell.